Hello guys, today we are doing Bounty Hacker CTF on TryHackMe. So let's go to terminal. I already had an nmap scan going with the service version and a -A for aggressive parameters. We can see we have FTP open with, looks like anonymous allowed, which looks like it'll have something interesting there. We have a port 80 web server and we have port 22 open. So what we can do first is go and check out that web server. So it's anonymous. So we want to type in anonymous. And we don't need to give a password. And we have access. Type in ls. We are in passive mode. So to exit passive mode, we want to enter passive. And that should take us out of passive mode. Or maybe just put active. Okay, passive. The passive mode is off. Okay, so what we want to do is get logs.txt. Get will let us download this text file to our local device. So let's do get task.txt. This will let us download it. As you can see here, it's been downloaded. So a check that there's no hidden directory, let's do ls.la, which will list the directories with all the file permissions as well. As we can see, we have nothing else here, so let's do exit, and we have left FTP. So let's cut the task file, and it says lin. So that might be our credential that we need in to log into SSH. Let's do cat logs.txt, and this looks like a password list. So we have our user Lynn, which we need to break into her machine. Let's put Lynn. It'd be SSH because we saw port 22 open. So let's do hydra .l. Now we want to put in Lynn. Now we need to put in our password list, which will be logs.txt ssh t4. Now we need to put in the IP address as well. Put that here. There we go, we got SSH in this machine. Make sure you're using your own IP address, as you don't want to be using it of different users. As we see, we have a password. So for your IP address, it will be your target IP address here, not mine, because this is my own IP address for my target machine. So we have the user Lynn with the password Red Dragon. So let's put that in here and get this done. Now let's SSH. So we want to put SSH, now Lynn at the IP address. So mine's here, yours would be different. Paste that in, and it'll ask us for a password, which will be here. Now paste that in. Let's do ls to list the directory, and we have user.txt. So let's do cat user.txt, which is short for concatenate. Now let's copy this, and let's now put this here for users.txt. Now we know her password. We may be able to do some privilege escalation, which will help us get a root shell. So let's do sudo-l, which will tell us what she can run as sudo. Put in the password, which we have, and this is tar. So what we can do is go to gtfobin, which will allow us to see how we can escalate our privileges. So let's go to gtfobin, and let's put in tar. Now we want to go to sudo, as we have super user permission with it. So let's copy this code, and we want to paste it into terminal. So let's Control Shift V to paste into terminal. And as we see, we have a root shell. Let's do who am I. Let's do it again, as it may take a while. Who am I? And it says root, so we have root access. We can check by doing ID as well, and it says root. So we control the system now. Let's go to the root directory, cd/root, ls to list it, and cat root.txt. Now let's copy this, and now we want to paste this in, and that's us done with this room. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It costs you nothing and it helps me so much. If you have any questions or any video suggestions for the future, please comment below. I will answer, and if you need help, I will answer and try to help you to the best of my abilities. Thank you for watching this video.